Hey, it's Alan Hopgood here, back with another quick tip for beginner guitarists. And in this video, we're going to look at how to change strings. Unfortunately, we got to do it, and the sooner you know how to do it, the easier it becomes. All right, so let's get into it. First thing I do is just detune the whole guitar, like really slacken off the strings, just like that, all the way through. Then we grab our peg winder and just get it underneath the thing and gently pull up the strings there. Right. Sometimes these may break, very rarely, but it does happen. I just put it in and then push the pin down on top of that, just like that. Okay, so the only difference here on this type of headstock where you got tuning pegs on either side of the headstock is when you come down here to the G string, I do everything exactly the same, put it through the hole. The only difference is I pull it back towards the center of the headstock, so the opposite way to these three here. Then I just wrap it around underneath. Back over, and then just pull it up. Tighten it. All the time I just make sure that I've got it in the headstocks, the nut slot, sorry, not the headstock. Then after I've got my strings on, all I do is just tune everything up to pitch. That slip there was just like tension, the slack in the string, sorry, taken up. Okay, so once it's up to pitch, all I do now is just put a hand on the neck of the guitar, over the strings, put a finger under the strings and just stretch it around. All right, and this just helps take out the slack in the strings, any loose bits around the peg or in the bridge here, just pulls it up. And you want to do that maybe 3 or 4 times, it depends. And you'll find that once you get it all up into pitch and stretched in, it'll stay in tune for you, and then you're good to go. The other thing I like to do once I've stretched them in a few times is like do some bends on it, just and make sure that there's nothing left, no slack or whatever. And doing this and the stretching really helps to see if you've got weak strings. So very rarely, though it does happen, sometimes the strings will snap, and that's it. This is the time to do it, not when you're halfway through a song. All right, so just do it like that, and then just check your tuning, and you'll find that if you've done enough stretching, it's not that far out, and or last thing you got to do is just give it a haircut and play a song. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.